to say congratulations to the class of 2020. We are so proud of you and cannot wait to see what you do in this next exciting chapter of your life. Congratulations, and we are.
Good luck, students. Come back and visit. We'll miss you.
Congratulations, Penn Staters. You should be really proud of your accomplishments. Well done.
Congratulations, graduates.
We're proud of you.
Congratulations to the Penn State Schuylkill class of 2020. You are all going to zoom to the top. Get it? Zoom.
Congratulations, class of 2020.
Hi, Penn State graduates. It's Dr. Schrader. I just wanted to congratulate everyone on their graduation and give a special shout out to the honor students and to my communication majors.
Congratulations to the class of 2020. Job well done.
Class of 2020.
We are
Penn State Schuylkill.
proud of you.
Congratulations, Penn State Schuylkill class of 2020. I'm so proud of you. You're amazing. We are.
I'd like to congratulate all of our graduates here at Penn State Schuylkill this semester, and especially our HDFS graduates. Well done.
Congratulations, and a job well done. We're Penn State proud of you, and good luck with all your new endeavors.
Penn State Schuylkill class of 2020. We are proud of you.
Congratulations, class of 2020. Super proud of you. Congratulations again, guys. You've earned it.
A big congratulations to all of our Penn State Schuylkill graduates this year, especially to our 2 corporate comp grads. Good luck. Best wishes.
Congratulations to all of our graduating students. I personally thank you for being a part of our Penn State Schuylkill family, and I wish you nothing but the best as you move on to the next chapter of your life.
Congratulations, class of 2020. You did it.
Congratulations, class of 2020.
APSU graduates, you did it. Congratulations. The world is yours. Have fun.